possible, as long as everyone knows that there's no touching.
But you see, all right, let me run this by you.
You can flirt,
yes.
But yes, there's... There's no place I'd rather... Secret. Phrasing, said Miriam's former date. Screw Mailer. As if that were an option, in lieu of what he'd never done.
How would it be, she wondered, if women started choosing different men, rewarding different types of male behaviour?
It would be genuine revolution if women would suddenly stop loving the victors in violent encounters. Why do they admire the image of the brutal man? If soldiers